Assalamu alaikum, dear student. This is your second lecture. I am going to giving you a homework. Open your English text copy. Mention date, draw a margin line, mention poem name. Mother to son. Draw 3 columns. First for words, second for English meaning, and third for Urdu meaning. First word is a climbing, चढ़ना. And has not, have not, ना होना. Crystal, colorless glass, शफाफ glass. Kinder, kind, किस्म. Landings, a flat area, हमवार ज़मीन. Sit down, बैठ जाओ, बैठना. Splinters, sharp slender piece of wood, लकड़ी का नोकीला टुकड़ा. Now open your books, page number 3. Exercise A. Answer the following question. Note down question number A. Who is speaking in the poem and to whom are the words addressed? Question number A का आंसर है A mother is speaking in the poem and her words are addressed to her son. Question number B नोट करेंगे पेज नंबर 3 से. What does the speaker compare her life with? The speaker compares her life to a flight of worn down, dimly lit stairs. Question number C. What does the speaker encounter on the stairs? Answer is the mother and the speaker encounters tacks, splinters, holes, bare boards, and patches of darkness on the stairs. Question number E. Which 3 pieces of advice does the speaker give the boy? Answer is don't turn back, don't sit down, and don't fall are the 3 pieces of advice the speaker gives to the listener in the poem. तमाम क्वेश्चन जो हैं वो पेज नंबर 3 में गिवन है, वहाँ से देख के नोट करिएगा. ये तमाम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पेज नंबर 3 से देख के उतारेंगे और वर्ड्स मीनिंग के बाद करने हैं इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट की कॉपी में. This is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework before next lecture.